Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, I'll be talking about GoShare login problem. If you have been having problem logging into your GoShare account as a result of you logging out and now you want to log in back and you cannot log in. Already yesterday I made a video explaining that GoShare is back and everyone who disconnected account should connect it back. So in this video, I'm going to be emphasizing on two things. Number one is how to gain access to your account back. Then number two is how to reconnect your account to GoShare. Okay, for those of you who disconnected the account. Now, talking about the login process. So if you try logging in and it's not working, this is what you are going to do. Go to Play Store or Apple Store. If you are using iPhone, go to Apple Store. Search for VPN file. VPN file. Search for VPN file. This is the VPN file. Then install this. If you are using iPhone, install it. If you are using Android phone, install it. If you are using iPhone, download it. Sorry. So that is it. Then once you are done, you open it. Then connect the server. Connect the server to. I don't want to open it because of advertisement is going to show. So, but you can see that I have it here on my phone. Okay. So when you download it, click on continue with us. Then you can see this place here, select server. Click on select server and then search for USA or any other, this one here, United States. So search for United States. So advertisement might display. Okay. So advertisement might display before it can connect you. So now the server is now what? Connected. Is now what? Connected. So once your own is showing connected like this, then try logging in back. Go back to your GoShare. Then login is going to work. Okay? Login is going to work. So if it doesn't work, then the only solution you are going to do is to what? Go to comment section. I am going to be leaving the registration link in the comment section. After watching this video, go to comment section. You click on the link, then create new account with new phone number. Okay, create new account with new phone number, and then that your WhatsApp account which you linked before, you can use it again to link it again. So that is it, guys. Then if you already link and your own is showing offline, click on start on state. Sorry, when you click on state, sorry, this my account is backlisted already. Okay, that's because of I registered it with new number. This place here that is showing backlisted, your own could either be showing online or offline. So if your own is showing on offline, click on it. If your own is showing offline, you click on it. Okay, click on it if it's showing offline. When you click on it, when it's showing offline, it's going to take you back to the page where you are going to reconnect your account again and then start earning, as simple as that. So this is how it's been done. This is how you gain access to your account, and this is how you reconnect your account. If you are not able to gain access to your account, go to comment section. And then for those of you who are new to this channel, or those of you who are hearing about GoShare for the first time, GoShare is a WhatsApp earning platform where you get paid once you connect your WhatsApp and you're earning. And I recommend you guys to use your spare WhatsApp account. I am still not advising you to use your main WhatsApp. Please use your WhatsApp account. You can download WhatsApp Business, create new WhatsApp account, use it. Make sure that you're active with the account. If you're not active, they're going to blacklist the account. Please take note. That is the reason why you see this my account is blacklisted, because of I was not active. Okay, so make sure you're active. Once you're active, you're automatically earning money, and the minimum withdrawal is just 1,000 naira. You can see I've withdrawn 18,000 naira from this my account already. This is my spare account. Okay, this is not my main account. I've withdrawn 18,000 naira already, and you can invite your friends as well. Click on invite. So when you click on invite, you can see this place here. Let me just show you guys what I'm saying now. You see, you'll be when you are offline, you are not going to be any. So this one is online. This one is online. So you can see now. So you can see this one is online. Current status is offline now. So make sure you are online. If you are not online, you are not going to earn any money. Take note of that, guys. Okay. So this platform is back, and they said something yesterday that their referral reward is limited, which means they might make changes to it in a few days' time. So I want you guys to make use of this opportunity to utilize it and then earn best of it before they they remove the bonus or they reduce the bonus. So you have every opportunity now to do that. Okay, good luck to you guys. If you have any question, please, the comment section is widely open for you. you can comment. And then don't forget, for those of you who will be joining the next video, which is going to play after this video, if you downloaded this video, please make sure you stream this video from beginning to the end, so that the next video which you are going to see is how to connect your GoShare account to WhatsApp, how to connect your WhatsApp account with GoShare. Okay, so that you can watch that video and connect it. That's for those of you who will be registering today. Those of you who already registered before and you log out, you already know how you did it. And if you don't still know how to connect, you can still watch the next video, which is how to connect your GoShare account to your WhatsApp, so that you can connect it and then start earning. Good luck to you guys. Happy earning. This platform is paying. Let's back December money from here. Good luck. Thank you.